Okay, train collectors, this is one that may get you excited. 1835E, I'll get that right. Cow catcher, front end. Good looking, bright work. Just so you know, this is what they considered standard scale. And so there's my hand. And I would say it's probably 5 pounds of motor. Very, very stout toy. We get a combination of sheet metal and castings, as well as nickel plating. And then for those people that didn't grow up with these, details like this right here made Lionel really fun. You could change the bulb. Now, I know it doesn't seem like a big deal, but they did a really good job of making it openable and replaceable, and they wanted everything to be maintainable. All right, and I think we have a whistling tender back here. So what we'll do, we'll turn it over. Yeah, and you can see the electric wires to make it whistling. It's the 1835, but the W, I believe, is whistling. That's a cool one. And in case you didn't know the details, these motors are immense. Standard gauge Loc. Got the front end here. Rear. And then the 4 power wheels, which makes it a 2, then a 4, then a 2. 29 New York Central lines. Good looking. Got the vestibule with the faux stained glass. And then good looking trucks. Lionel Manufacturing underneath, New York. Lionel Central lines. And it's hard to see, but it's got some nice seats in there. They put a really nice gloss of paint on this. Okay, here is Lionel 1767. And I'm having a hard time reading it. Right there. Lionel lines. I'm thinking it's a baggage car. It's like baggage was held back here. And to me, it looks like a porter could go back here. I suppose it could be a really, really low class, like a 3rd or 4th class. And what's neat about these early trains is you lift the roof up and it's got storage as well as a light, no seating. So that to me ties into it being a storage car. Okay, carrying on, we got the 1866, which is a good looking passenger car. Closed vestibule, windows, windows, windows. And then, what is this? Whoa, well, not quite as thrilling as a higher end train, but bench seating. So a passenger car, 1866. But again, the light bulb can be replaced. And then the roof can be put back down. It's 6 and 6 with a pickup so that the light lights up on it. That's fun. And then the observation car meaning you can go back here and look and see scenery, get some fresh air, smoke a cigarette. 1768. And on it, when you open it up, it also has a rear bulb to shine through the gel so that it can be seen on the track in case a train's approaching it, and then a second light for the rest of the passengers. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed this Lionel 29, and that literally is number 29. in their catalog, as well as this 1835E passenger set by Lionel Lines of New York. And, keep us in mind, these are coming up for auction. And then as a little bit of a tease, we got the next size up in the Lionel world of money, and the next level of detail up coming to auction also September 2024. Talk to us. My name's Ed over at AntiqueToys.com. You can reach me at toys@AntiqueToys.com. Have a great day.